Hi, you're watching Cooking Munchies with Fee Gonzales, and today we are cooking KFC. It's fried chicken and homemade chips. Well, it's not home because it ain't my home, but it's chips, you know what I'm saying? For the chicken. You tried to hit me at the beginning like with recipes. I got my own, you get me? You know I'm my own chef in the kitchen like Raekwon, you get me? I got my own flour. I got some eggs, I might need another 2. We got some onion, we got some garlic, we got some smoked paprika, we got some cayenne, we got some salt, got some black pepper, ginger, and some herbs, I think there's, and some salt. Chicken's already been washed, which is rule number 1. You get me? We're gonna season it. Some smoked paprika. I think I'm gonna need a little bit more paprika. There we go. Yeah, this is my old style. This is my favorite meal. Like, family always onto me to cook the fried chicken and the homemade chips because A1 since day one. This would have been done yesterday. I would have prepared it yesterday. You know what I'm saying? But I was like that Blue Peter and goes today. I made this earlier. You get me? But no measurements, cuz. All this by eye, we weigh it up by eye around here, you get me? We don't use scales. I don't really put salt in food because like, seasoning is salt, which is what my parents taught me, you get me? What I do need is some soy sauce. I found it, tell them we're good. Come on, Kai, you know you need soy sauce in the food and that, you get me? Oh, okay. Some chicken seasoning. It's Jamaican, so I can vouch for it. I don't know if it was made by a Jamaican. You know, like Ray Nephews. Ray Nephews is a Jamaican drink, but it's not made by Jamaicans. We have diverted to a different rum now. We are on a different rum. My mother taught me how to cook. I used to always watch her when she was cooking. Obviously, I love food. Like Sundays was a special day. I used to sit down and like peel the potatoes because I love roast potatoes. So I used to always peel the potatoes and then I would watch the process of how everything got made. And Bob's your uncle. I'm adding honey right now. It just gives it a sweet kind of, we're gonna try to add some more into it after it's fried. Usually people use a spoon and you get me, but like, you gotta use your hands, you gotta get in that shit, bro. I'm telling you, car. You gotta caress the chicken. caress the breast, you know what I'm saying? But this one's wings, so we're not gonna caress. You're gonna caress it a little bit. It's like caressing an arm. Female's arm. You smell all them flavors through the friggin' phone, through the camera. Trust. How long do I massage the chicken? Yeah. Well, you just gotta make sure that, cause we didn't cook it earlier, you can't like digest and soak into the chicken. You just gotta make sure that it was well seasoned, every corner, every armpit. If it's a wing, does it have an armpit? I gotta answer this question seriously, cuz. You eat armpit, cuz. You gotta eat armpit today. Alright, so that's done. I'm gonna let it marinate for a bit though. And that's well seasoned. See if a girl looks at this and says, Mum, look how you season the chicken. Someone gonna say, yo, proper you with that, you get me? Yeah. I'm gonna cut some potatoes. I'm good with a knife still, you know. I'm quite good with a knife because I won't lie to you. I told you I used to cut the potatoes on a Sunday. That was my thing. Like, you know, like in the house, everyone's got to find something to do. Like usually the little kids, they were setting the tables. The elders, they're doing the food. Nobody can cook better than me, man. Someone call Zoo, because Zoo needs to, you get me? Big Zoo needs to come and like holler at me because I don't think there's no one that can cook better than me. I'm a chef and I'm still improving. I like cooking saltfish. I ain't cooked it in a while though. I don't really do the ackee stuff though. I'm already at ackee, so I don't really get it. It's got to be fresh ackee. It can't be no tinned ackee. It's not like, it's not given. I'm kind of fussy when it comes to food, so I wouldn't eat it if I don't like it. Like I have plain burgers. I go to McDonald's and ask for a plain chicken burger and plain fillet of fish. No sauce, no cheese. That's my kind of thing, you get me? I get ketchup sauce and add the ketchup myself. Because we're on a quick thing, it's just going to be kind of slapdash right now, but we're going to make it work. I'm not really a wingman, like I said, I don't really eat armpit, you get me? Now, but the reason I don't eat wings is because when I was young, got one cousin, she used to be like, you know, like there's veins. I was proper young, like 10 or 7 or something like that. And she'd be like, you know, like there's veins in the chicken wings. And I looked at the wings and, you know, the little strips, you see the veins, and it put me off wings for life. Obviously now I'm older, I can like dibble dabble, but not really trying to be out there eating veins, you get me? Oh yeah, you gotta be specific when you say Caribbean, because like Asian food and like Trinidadian food is quite not on the levels of Jamaican food, you know what I'm saying? But it's on levels, but it's just not on like, you know what I'm saying? Like no one says, oh, I'm going to the Asian shop. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I've never had like, I remember I used to be out in America, but my auntie's like kind of Jamaican, so I didn't really get soul food, you know what I'm saying? I would love to, I've had fake soul food over here, like when Trap Kitchen was really the Trap Kitchen, but I haven't had like Atlanta, Deep South, I'm on that though, Louisiana, all of that. My top 3 foods, minus in Jamaican, obviously, I would say Japanese. Love a good Japanese, I do. Benihana is my favorite restaurant. I love how it's cooks. It's cooks on that the grill that they use to cook it. It might reach the top, but it's not like everything from the Japanese dish I eat. But not like everything from Italian, but a good linguine will go down a treat. Pork, just anything pork is a no-go in every continent's dish. But anything Jamaican I don't like. I don't like chocho. I hate chocho, man. It tastes like, and okra. I hate okra, man. It tastes like alien fingers.
How does it know what alien fingers taste like?
It's one time in Bangkok. My dad used to force me to eat that shit as well. Like, make sure you eat it. I used to get so upset. Potatoes are here. Fine chips. The finest chips, lad, I swear to you. If I had a fish and chip shop, these chips will go down a treat. And look how quick I whip that up, cuz. Come on, man. You think girl can whip that up quick like that, chips? It's like my girl has to be able to cook. If she can't cook, it's a no-go, man. It's not gonna last. It's not gonna last. I'm gonna look elsewhere, I tell you. So if you can't cook, there's no point in coming anywhere near this facility.
Look so cooking.
Ooh. It's a hard one, you know. It's a hard one. Ooh. Cooking still. Cooking, you get me? Because it's just like, you just have to be able to cook, man. Like, what we gonna do? You get me? Restaurants. Can't do that every day. Oven food, takeaway. Can't live like that. Whisking egg yolk and the milk together. I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika in it as well. Yeah. What's this here again? Do you know? I don't know what that is. What's oregano, okay? Guys, the herbs there. But I do put herbs in my things, so. You get me? So the herbs are supposed to go in the actual flour. That's where I put the herbs in the actual flour. So I kind of messed up there. Alright, we're good. We're gonna make sure that it's whisked. Whisk real good, lad, I swear to you. We'll put a little bit of paprika in here. But you know what? We use the Filipinos first. So what I do, I get a chicken and I dip it into the egg yolk first. I might like swirl it around in the egg yolk. And then I dip it into the flour. I have seen people do it differently though. Like, I've seen people fry it, like get the chicken and fry it all in the frying pan with the egg. I think that's quite cool. I just don't know how to do it. So I'm gonna stick to my way. It's my way or the highway.
Don't you think it's wild dipping wings into eggs?
I don't know, do you think it's wild?
That's like dipping beef into milk.
Oh, that's crazy. But we're not using the blue top, so it's not really real, is it? I know we're using the egg. The egg. Oh shit. That's double chicken, isn't it? It's double chicken. Chicken on chicken. Me, I like to like let it soak in the flour. That just spun my head though, you know, the dipping the chicken into the chicken. That's like dipping a human. You get me? Why? You get me? Fried chicken might be a white chicken, you know. It might be a white. We might have made fried chicken a white. I'm just coating the chicken with the flour. That's what gives it the crispy look and sensation.
The FFC.
KFC. Welcome to KFC, Kentucky Fried Fee. So what? Usually man would have some music playing, some Al Green or some Marvin, Aretha Franklin. You know what I'm saying?
Marvin.
It's just Marvin, isn't it? It's just Marvin, cuz. Yeah, Marvin.
Which one?
Huh? I don't know if there's another one. I just know the Marvin that sings. Let's go to song, Let's Get Along. Let's get along. Let's get along. What's his other song? Grapevine. Heard it through the grapevine. Some classics, you get me? Cool man, we listen to some revival music, you get me? Some old school reggae, Jamaican music. Chefing it up, cuz. Look at that. We're in the game. This is how it looks. Amazing. Everyone's hungry right now, isn't it? You know you're hungry because you're gonna eat it raw. I know white people eat chicken raw, you know. Alright, so we're gonna go fry it. Welcome to my shop. No. You put it down like this. Don't let boss man fool you, you know. Boss man fooling you with the fake fries, reheated. Don't worry. They gonna know about Fee's shop after this, you know. What, can you put the chicken on top of each other when you put it in the fries? You know where it is.
Really loading it up.
Yeah, I'm loading it up right now. You're hungry though, innit? You know it looks good, car. I'm hungry. These gonna be the best wings you've tasted in your life, bro. I feel like the wings are gonna take longer to cook than the chips, innit? So let's go. Never. Oh, there we go. Feel like it needs some more oil. Well, we got the tweezers. No, we're good. I might have to buy one of these for my crib, cuz Little air fryer. Got air fryer. Deep fryer. I got an air fryer. I don't like it. I like the oil. You know what I'm saying? I feel like bullies right now, you know. It's giving Morley's. It's giving Morley's right now, you know what I'm saying? KFC. We here. We in the building. £4.99 for 3 wings and chips. You get me? Like I always get in trouble for not tidying up after I cook. You want me to put the mic there so you can get the sizzle? Yeah, we can. Come on, man. My mama would be so proud. She'd be like, you don't do this in the house? My girl would be like, every day I do that in the house.
You got no excuses. What I say?
You get me? I'm like, yeah, cause I know you women are there, your OCD ass. Hey, you know that all women have OCD. I feel like I don't want a woman that doesn't have OCD. You get me? Cause it just makes my job. It's sick, innit? It just makes your job easier, innit? A woman with OCD. You get me, Mr. Patel? Mr. Patel with the whip. You get me? Come on, man. Pink car. Oh my days. Boston. Boston. Come on, man. Ah. We just gonna drain off all the oil off the chicken. Some of these pieces are burnt because like I done it by eye and it's my first time using a deep fryer. But you know they say it's better burnt because you know that it's cooked. You know what I'm saying? Trust me, gang. Oh my days, it's looking like Morley's in here, bro. Let's try to buy some KFC. So that we could make some money. Where's my man who shops it is? Ain't got no customers for me. He must have some customers right now. They must be able to, you get me, come through and get, I'm saying 3 wings and chips. £4.99. Swear down, cuz. Oh my days. Boston. Look it up. Oh, Boston. Surely them chips are done. This is my little secret, bro. Trust me. There's a method to the madness. Since I'm in the post. How on KFC, you know already, you get me? Hey, it's Boston. They're saying that Fee's the best chef in London. What else they're saying? They're saying KFC. They're saying, wow, Fee, that looks delicious. Wow, Fee, what, did you cook that all yourself? That looks amazing, 10 out of 10. I'd pay for that now. Can you Uber it? That sort of stuff.
Do you want tissue in here?
Oh, wow, you're smart. You're smart. She can cook. That's a girl that can cook. You get me? She asked, do you want tissue to drain off the oil? You know what I'm saying? Them chips are busting.
They look good.
They look good, innit?
Yeah.
Surely I must be able to keep a woman with this kind of cooking. You know what I'm saying? Surely I must be able to cook a woman, like keep a woman. Surely. Alright, it's my favorite bit of the whole entire meal. This is what makes the chips bust. Like that, because a meal for Fee, made by Fee. KFC. Boston. Yeah, Boston. Yeah, man. Yeah, you know what we go down with? Some baked beans, cuz. Oh, them chips are busting. All that's missing is some baked beans. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh. Bastard. At 10, what are we saying? 11. Bon appetit. Thank you for having me, guys. It's been a wonderful episode of Cooking Munchies with Fee Gonzales, and I made honey glazed wings, fried wings, and homemade chips. Boston.
Let me just finish this up.
This is the real chicken shop there.
Yeah, a real chicken shop.
Now, you can whip it though.
Come on, cuz.
Can't lie.
You just came in.
Yeah, no recipe.
Let them know, man.
It makes sense now.
Makes sense. What makes sense, cuz?
Definitely makes sense now.